Italian cookies are more than just sweet treats. They are a delightful journey into the heart of Italy. They are a celebration of heritage, family, and tradition. Each cookie carries with it a piece of history and a story of love. Passed down through generations, these recipes hold the warmth of Italian kitchens. Grandmothers teaching their grandchildren, hands passing down cherished recipe cards. From the crunchy biscotti dipped in coffee to the melt-in-your-mouth Amaretti, each bite is a taste of tradition. Each cookie tells a story of family gatherings, festive celebrations, and everyday moments of joy. Join me as we explore the world of Italian cookies. Discover the secrets behind these beloved treats. Let's create some magic in your own kitchen. With simple ingredients and a bit of love, you can bring a piece of Italy to your home. These cookies are about sharing and creating memories. They bring people together, making every moment special. They are perfect for any occasion, whether it's a festive celebration or a simple family gathering. Enjoy them with a morning espresso, savoring the start of a new day, or as an after-dinner treat, a sweet ending to a perfect meal. Italian cookies are more than just food. They are a way of life. Biscotti, meaning twice baked, are known for their delightful crunch. These Italian cookies have a unique texture that makes them perfect for enjoying with a hot beverage. These cookies are perfect for dipping in coffee or Vin Santo, an Italian dessert wine. To make these delicious treats, you'll need the following ingredients: 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1 cup of granulated sugar. Additionally, you'll need 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1/2 cup of almonds, toasted and chopped to bring out their rich flavor. Start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. This ensures that your biscotti will bake evenly. Next, line a baking sheet with parchment paper. This will prevent the biscotti from sticking and make cleanup a breeze. In a large bowl, whisk together the flour, baking powder, and salt. This step is crucial for evenly distributing the leavening agent. In another bowl, cream together the sugar and eggs until the mixture is light and fluffy. This will give your biscotti a tender crumb. Stir in the vanilla extract to add a hint of sweetness. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients, mixing until just combined. Be careful not to overmix, as this can make the biscotti tough. Finally, fold in the chopped almonds. These will add a delightful crunch and a nutty flavor to your biscotti, making them irresistible. Amaretti cookies are a delightful contrast to the crunchy biscotti. While biscotti are known for their crisp texture, Amaretti offer a soft and chewy experience that melts in your mouth. These chewy almond cookies are bursting with flavor. The rich almond taste is complemented by a subtle sweetness, making them irresistible. Here are the ingredients: 1 cup almond flour, 1 cup powdered sugar, 2 large egg whites, 1/4 teaspoon almond extract, and a pinch of salt. These simple ingredients come together to create a delightful treat. Preheat oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit or 160 degrees Celsius. This ensures the cookies bake evenly and achieve the perfect texture. Line baking sheets with parchment paper. This prevents the cookies from sticking and makes for easy cleanup. In a large bowl, combine almond flour and powdered sugar. Make sure to mix thoroughly to avoid any lumps. In a separate bowl, whisk egg whites, almond extract, and salt until frothy. This step is crucial for incorporating air into the mixture, giving the cookies their light texture. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the egg white mixture, folding until a sticky dough forms. Be gentle to maintain the airiness of the dough, which is key to achieving the perfect chewiness. Section 4. Tips and tricks for baking like a nonna's. Italian grandmothers, or nonnas, are the keepers of traditional baking secrets. Here are some tips for achieving bakery-worthy cookies. Use high-quality ingredients for the best flavor. Toast nuts before adding them to enhance their flavor. Don't overmix the dough, as it can make the cookies tough. Let the cookies cool completely before storing them in an airtight container. Remember, baking is about love and passion. Enjoy the process and don't be afraid to experiment. Section 5. The history and heritage of biscotti. Biscotti has a rich history dating back to Roman times. These durable cookies were perfect for traveling and long journeys. Sailors and soldiers relied on biscotti for sustenance. Over time, biscotti evolved. They became a beloved treat in Tuscany. Today, biscotti is enjoyed worldwide. It remains a testament to Italian culinary ingenuity. Section 6. Sharing the sweet success of Italian baking. Baking Italian cookies is an experience that delights the senses. The aroma, the textures, and the flavors come together in perfect harmony. I encourage you to try these recipes. Share them with your loved ones. Let the warmth of Italian baking fill your kitchen with joy. Buon appetito!